Alright, y'all. I am here to do another video on the back porch. Starlight ended up making a mess, so I figured I'd go ahead and vacuum. I've got pretty well all the stuff up that could throw a vacuum off balance or damage it, and I will be using my Royal 18-inch. So, here we go. Uh-oh. I don't know what that could be. Oh. Some of a hot glue stick. Yeah, we're not done yet, though. Really? Starlight? We should train you to do this. Boy, wouldn't that be interesting to watch. And yes, I still need to work on the roller brush, or replace it. And that's pretty well the end of this one. So, yeah, I'll probably do a bag dump later, because yes, I have a shakeout insert in it. I do need to get some more Royal Type B bags, because I know the shakeout insert is not really a substitute for actual Royal bags, because it's not even a Royal shakeout insert, it's a Clark bag. Yeah, it's the one that came out of my Clark Carpet Master, as we can see. Yes, even says reorder from Clark. So yeah, and as we can see, it doesn't allow good filtration. It does allow for some wicked airflow though. Not that Royal is short on that because of their design. But yeah, anyway, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this and other types of vacuum content. And until next time, bye.